सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 12.1 problem number 3. Look at the question. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meters and by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? So here we have to find the length of the slide. Okay, usually we see the slides in parks and gardens. Okay, right? So a contractor here wants to set up a slide of 2 meters height from the ground. Okay, so to solve this problem, let us imagine a diagram for this. Okay, so height of the slide from the ground we imagine like a straight line. Okay, and next, so generally how the slides we see in the parks or in the grounds or in temples, it is like this. Okay, like a slant height. Okay, right? So let us imagine the diagram for this. Yeah, right, look at here, this is the diagram I have already drawn, right? So this is the height from the ground, this is the ground, and this is the height of the slide from the ground. Okay, so he wants to set it up like this. Okay, this is the slide. Okay, I'm writing here, this is the slide. Okay, the length of this slide is, I'm considering now x. We need to find this length here. Okay, right? So this is given 2 meters already in the question. Yeah, this slide makes an angle of 30 degrees with this ground. Okay, yeah, is it clear? Right, let us go for solution. So given height of the slide is 2 meters. Next, consider the length of the slide is x meters. Okay, so angle made by the slide with the ground is given 30 degrees. Okay, already these are things given in the question already. So from the figure, what we need to find this slide length. To find that, we need to use a trigonometric ratio. So here we have one side length in the right angle triangle, that is opposite side to angle 30 degrees. Okay, so in which trigonometric ratio the opposite side and hypotenuse involved? Yeah, we know that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta and secant theta. So out of these, in the sin theta and cosec theta, this opposite side and hypotenuse ratio involved. Okay, so this problem we can solve by using cosec theta ratio or sin ratio. With sin ratio also we can solve. So here I am going to use sin ratio. Cosec you can try yourself. Okay, so I am going to use here sin ratio to find the length of the slide. Okay, right? So see here, sin 30 degrees is equals to length of the opposite side to angle 30 degrees, that is nothing but this, by length of hypotenuse, that is nothing but this. Okay, so we have to replace the values here. That is sin 30 is equals to 2 by x. 2 by x you can write here meters. Okay, if you want to write, add on meters. So let us simplify that. So we know sin 30 value, what is that? That is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2, that is we have to substitute here. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 by x. Take the cross multiplication, we get here x into 1 is equals to 2 into 2, that becomes x is equals to 4 meters. X is nothing but here length of the slide. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, write down here. Therefore, the length of the slide is equals to 4 meters. Is it clear? I hope you understand this problem. Okay. Thank you.